Hey guys, remember that building that I was gonna buy and didn't get? Well, I'm back. Now unfortunately, the person that bought it he's probably gonna use all of it, but he did say I can have the pinball machines in the basement, so let's go check those out. So at the very least, even though I didn't get the building, I'll get whatever these pinball machine parts that I want. But oh my god, look how nasty they are. Evidently this shop was used to repair pinball machines. Oh, that is for film, 120 film. If there's any, oh, it's film development. Oh my god. Oh, exposed. Oh my god, that film's still exposed. Oh my god. We could develop that film. Oh my god. Oh, this is interesting. Tell you what, I will come back to this after I do the pinball machine parts. There's also these pinball machines. So we have the puller thing. It's a shame these were on the floor, so like flooded in water, but still it's too cool to let be thrown away. See, I'm just gonna get a shovel and just fill this all up. Just take all this, especially, oh, that thing. Look at that. Might be better to go ahead and cut them apart. Yeah, that might be best. Okay, so here's what I whipped up. I'm using this as my trailer. So we're going to see how much we can fit into that half barrel trailer. So let's get started. Oh, that one still has image on it, so that's good. So I guess it doesn't really matter too much that I cut these, because this is all soaked toast anyway. Oh. What I'm really interested in is this, because it looks like it hasn't really been hurt too much, even though everything's wired away around it. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, look at that! Roto unit. It's all locked up, so that's a shame. But I can go through and I can probably fix that slowly and slowly. These contacts are a bit far gone, so I don't know if I really want those. I'll definitely keep that, because it has actual graphics on it. It's just a shame that this rubber band has stretched it back. Oh, another rotator unit. Another bumper. So this is like an array of relays. So that's kind of cool. Actually doesn't look all that bad. At least not bad compared to the other parts. The stuff that's really bad I'll set aside, and I can always come back and get it later. But I'm going to focus on the really interesting stuff, like this. Like that's an interesting piece, little bumper thing. Oh, that. Yeah, it's pretty far gone, but you know what? I'll keep that anyway, because so that's too far gone. I was going to say it's junk, but I mean, it's still cool, but it's just too far gone. It's a little slot of some sort, like coins, I guess. I don't know, I've never actually played a pinball machine before, so I'm guessing a little bit. I don't know if I need that. I can keep that here. All those caps. Oh, that's a neat part. So the caps went on there. They lit up. Keep that separate. So the interesting parts I'll keep separate just to make sure we don't have any like they'll get crushed or something like that. This is a lot of lights with this. So we have these machines that detect this. It goes mounted to the back of the thing, but it's actually not in that bad a condition. The wood's bad, but the parts themselves are mostly intact. Oh, another one of those printed cover things. All right, we're done with the first machine, and now our trailer is about half full. Let's I guess that's the kicker thing. Oh, got some stickers on there, so that's good. Oh, I see some big bells back there. That's nice, that's a keeper. More artwork. Flipper. Ah, so it looks like there's two machines here. This over here. I think it's safe to say you shouldn't be able to just pull on it like this. You should all be together. So this looks pretty far gone. That's a rat's nest. Wow. looks like a counter similar to the other one, so that's a score counter. Total play count. Counter. Ah, that's not even rusty on the back. Look at that. It's nice. Finally, something that's not rusty. Power supply, flipper. Artwork. Another flipper. I probably should have brought buckets for this. I was wrong. Now we're down to the floor. Yeah. There really isn't much more room. Oh, okay. There really isn't much more room in the trailer. So let's just see what we can find in this. Oh yeah, that's not gonna only one piece. Oh wait. Oh. Yeah. Ugh. Something creepy crawly on there. Oh, and I see the button. We can come back to that later. I don't think it's gonna get hurt too much. I don't know what that is, but I'll go ahead and keep it anyway. I'll leave that though, because that looks like garbage. Oh. Oh, little ratchet thing. Yeah, that's not going to go. Ah, shit. This piece of metal is holding up all this glass. Wish I was recording because it almost broke in front of me. So I can't move my foot. Okay, so Valley Special Enter. Doesn't look like these are all in any good condition because the paint is all coming off of them. Yeah, this all comes off on there. Special entry. Looks like gambling to me though. I mean, that doesn't look very fun. And that's just regular glass back there. Okay. Oh my god, that was so worth it. So worth it. Hell yeah. It is fucking hot today. Oh my god. Look at that. So cool. So everything made it back safe and sound. And now that I'm looking at it, you know what? I bet each one of these pieces could make its own little video. Because like this part seems to have some life in it. And this is kind of stuck a little bit, but I can actually activate it by hand. The other ones will need like new springs and stuff in them, and this one could use a new motor, but still it is there. I mean, and this one can use some work, but I mean, for free, it's not that bad. Plus we can do a video just focusing on all the artwork. Fucking mosquitoes. That one's pretty cool right there. But that is the coolest by far. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya!